Have you ever wondered why your nose suddenly makes you blast air out like a mini explosion? Sneezing is actually your body's clever way of keeping itself clean and safe. When you breathe in tiny invaders like dust, pollen, or even pepper, the lining inside your nose gets irritated. Special cells there quickly detect these unwanted guests and send a message to your brain. Your brain acts like a security alarm, deciding it's time to kick out the intruders before they cause trouble. It then tells the muscles in your chest, throat, and face to work together in a quick, powerful action. You take a deep breath, your throat closes for just a split second, and then, achoo! Your muscles forcefully push air, along with any irritants, out through your nose and mouth. This burst of air can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Sneezing is like your nose's way of hitting the reset button, clearing out anything that shouldn't be there and helping you breathe easier. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's smart and speedy way of keeping your breathing passages clean and working smoothly.